Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Mary. Welcome to Miss Mary's World. Today is Monday, y'all. This Monday it is 11:55 a.m. almost in the afternoon. Y'all, I just got back. I had to take my brother to a doctor's appointment, and we just got back. I want to show y'all my new refrigerator. It just got delivered. I love it, y'all. I want to show y'all. I want to show y'all the new refrigerator. Look at it, y'all. I have a ice maker, water. I can do cubes and crushed ice. Oh my god, water. Look at that. Look at it, y'all. This is nice. Brand new. Y'all, I need to go shopping. The girl ain't got nothing. Look. Look, y'all. This is beautiful. Brand new. Okay? Paper and stuff was in it. I have to take. Oh, look at this. Look at the. It says cold recommended for the freezer temp. It says cold this for the refrigerator temp. It says good air filter. Oh yeah, it has an air filter. And it has a water filter, you guys. This is nice. This is nice. And then the filter is right here. Where the filter at. This is lovely. I love this refrigerator. I'm not gonna know how to act, y'all. That is nice. That's a blessing. Brand new. Paperwork was still in there. Look, I thought the paperwork and stuff was still in the refrigerator. It's a side-by-side refrigerator. It's a freeze dare refrigerator. Oh, sorry, y'all. But yeah, it is nice. Really, really nice. And I'm excited. I got a couple gift cards. Walmart. I'm about to call and see what I have on. I think one I got 25. I got 10 on another one. My brother just got one for 10. I'm about to go to Walmart. Let's call and see what we got. Ooh. On these gift cards. How do you call gift cards? Oh, there's a number. Oh, hold on. Let's get. What the heck? It just hung up. Crazy. It just hung up.
Welcome to Walmart gift cards. To hear instructions in English, press 1. Para escuchar las instrucciones. Please remember, for security purposes, our agents cannot provide balance information.
You just, oh Lord. So I know one has got 20 or 25 on there. I know one got 10, and then my brother got one for 10, so that's like $35 or $40 or something. Yeah. So that's that. What? So I grabbed a couple stuff from Walmart. That's about it. Come back and chill out at the house. Okay, yeah, I had to come down here and just show off my brand new refrigerator that I was like, oh my god, this is the business. Because on my other one, my ice maker, no, my ice maker didn't work, but the water worked on the other one. And I got that refrigerator from my neighbor that used to live here. She was moving out and she had another refrigerator, so she wanted to give it away. So I bought it from her. I think I bought $50. I bought that refrigerator from her. So, and I done had it like 3 years. So it's still a good refrigerator, but I noticed that my daughter forgot to get them the drawers and the little shelves that go with it. So I'm like, oh, well. I want to know what they do with used refrigerators. What do they do with it? I mean, it was still a good refrigerator. There was nothing wrong with it. Only thing that was wrong with it with the ice maker did not work. So that was it. Otherwise, the refrigerator was in good shape. Yeah, but I'm about to make a trip down to the Wally World. That's what I'm about to do. Spend up these gift cards. Hello. Yeah.
Don't forget to call Spectrum and see, because I think the lights are already on his way to Bakersfield.
All right.
So he's not going to be able to call.
All right.
That's all.
All right, y'all. Let me make this phone call.